Many people who have entered middle age think that their sexual desire has decreased or that they are unable to have sexual intercourse. However, with some small changes in our eating habits, we can have the performance of our youth. In this video, we will explain which fruits have positive effects on our sexual performance and how our sexual performance can increase in a short time when we add these fruits to our eating habits. Hello, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like the video before we get into the video. The first fruit we will cover in this video that will increase both your libido and sexual stamina is banana. The effect of banana on sexual performance. Does it have aphrodisiac power? Banana is a nutritious fruit that many people love to consume. It is rich in many important nutrients such as potassium, B vitamins, and fiber. But do bananas also have an effect on sexual performance? Some people believe that bananas are an aphrodisiac food and increase sexual desire and performance. There are several reasons behind this belief. Potassium. Potassium is an important mineral that helps regulate muscle function and nerve conduction. Adequate potassium intake can help muscles contract stronger and work better. This can positively affect sexual performance. B vitamins. B vitamins are important for energy production and metabolism. Adequate intake of B vitamins can help reduce fatigue and boost your energy levels. This can be beneficial for sexual desire and performance. Fiber. Fiber keeps the digestive system functioning properly and prevents constipation. Constipation is a condition that can negatively affect sexual desire and performance. Adequate fiber intake can improve sexual function by preventing constipation. Bananas are a fruit rich in many important nutrients and can be beneficial for your overall health. If you want to improve your sexual performance, you can eat bananas. However, keep in mind that bananas alone are not a magical aphrodisiac and cannot guarantee that they will significantly improve your sexual performance. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly are also important to optimize your sexual performance. The second sexual performance-enhancing fruit of our video is avocado. The hidden power of tropical beauty, how it boosts your sexual health. Avocado is a delicious fruit that has gained popularity in recent years and is frequently found in kitchens. Avocado, which stands out with its nutritious content and health benefits, attracts attention not only with its flavor, but also with its aphrodisiac effect. So, how does avocado affect your sexual health? Now we will examine the hidden power of avocado and its effects on sexual functions in the light of scientific research. The relationship between avocado and sexual health. Avocados contain many important nutrients that can help boost sexual function and libido. Healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which are also beneficial for heart health. These fats improve blood flow and circulation, helping to increase blood flow and sensitivity to the genitals. B vitamins such as folate and vitamin B6 support hormone production and nerve function. This is very important for sexual function. Vitamin E. A powerful antioxidant, vitamin E protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is beneficial for general health and sexual function. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral for muscle function and nerve conduction. Adequate magnesium intake can positively affect sexual performance by helping muscles contract stronger and work better. Potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle function and nerve conduction. Adequate potassium intake can help prevent cramps and relax muscles, making the sexual experience more enjoyable. How should avocado be consumed? Avocado is a versatile fruit that can be consumed for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as a snack. It can be added to salads, sandwiches, sauces, and smoothies. You can also use avocado oil as a salad dressing or in cooking. Avocado is a fruit that can help increase your sexual health and libido levels with its nutritional content and aphrodisiac effect. By combining regular avocado consumption with a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet, you can optimize your sexual function and enjoy a more enjoyable sex life. Remember, avocado alone is not a magical aphrodisiac. While they can significantly improve your sexual performance, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and exercising regularly are also important to optimize your sexual performance. Watermelon, the third fruit of our video, which you should add to your eating habits, especially in summer, to keep your sexual performance strong. Watermelon, the coolness of summer, the fire of sexuality. Watermelon is indispensable in summer with its refreshing flavor. Well, did you know that watermelon is not only a refreshing food, but also increases sexual performance? In this video, we will examine the aphrodisiac power of watermelon and its effects on sexual functions in the light of scientific research. The mysterious link between watermelon and sexual health. The red color and juicy texture of watermelon is almost like an aphrodisiac sign. This delicious fruit contains many important nutrients that can help boost sexual desire and performance. L-citrulline. Watermelon is rich in the amino acid L-citrulline. L-citrulline is converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow and circulation. This helps to increase blood flow to the genitals and sensitivity. Lycopene. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is beneficial for overall health and sexual function. B vitamins. Watermelon is also rich in B vitamins such as folate and vitamin B6. B vitamins support hormone production and nerve function. This is very important for sexual function. Potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle function and nerve conduction. Adequate potassium intake can positively affect sexual performance by helping muscles contract stronger and work better. Enjoying watermelon and strengthening your sexual health. You can consume plenty of watermelon in summer. You can use it sliced alone, in fruit salads or smoothies. You can also use the watermelon rind in salads or pickles instead of throwing it away. Remember, watermelon alone is not a magical aphrodisiac. It cannot guarantee that it will significantly improve your sexual performance. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and exercising regularly are also important to optimize your sexual performance. Watermelon is an ideal food to raise not only the coolness of summer, but also the fire of sexuality. Keep this delicious fruit on your table and in your bedroom. The fourth hot fruit of our video is strawberries. Strawberries' sweet secret, the key to sexual desire? Strawberry, the cool and delicious fruit of the summer months, attracts attention not only with its sweetness, but also with its aphrodisiac effect. But does strawberry really have an effect on sexual performance? The mysterious link between strawberries and sexual health. The red color of strawberries seems to be a symbol of passion. This delicious fruit contains many important nutrients that can help increase sexual desire and performance. Vitamin C. Strawberries are a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system and increase collagen production. A healthy immune system and collagen tissue are very important for sexual function. Potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle function and nerve conduction. Adequate potassium intake can positively affect sexual performance by helping muscles contract stronger and work better. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can negatively affect sexual desire and performance. Adequate magnesium intake can improve sexual function by reducing stress and anxiety. Folates. Folates is a vitamin belonging to the B vitamins family. Folates support hormone production and nerve function. This is very important for sexual function. Enjoying the flavor of strawberries and strengthening your sexual health. You can consume strawberries fresh, add them to smoothies, yogurt, or fruit salads. Strawberry jam and strawberry syrup are also delicious options. Remember, strawberries alone are not a magical aphrodisiac. It cannot guarantee that it will significantly improve your sexual performance. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and exercising regularly are also important to optimize your sexual performance. With the sweet flavor and sexual power of strawberries, you can enjoy the summer months to the fullest. Our fifth fruit is figs, indispensable for your sexual life. Figs, the hidden power of a sweet flavor. Fig, the cool and delicious fruit of the summer months, attracts attention not only with its sweetness, but also with its aphrodisiac effect. So, does figs really have an effect on sexual performance? We will examine the mysterious world of figs and their effects on sexual functions in the light of scientific research. What do figs do for a passionate night? This delicious fruit contains many important nutrients that can help boost sexual desire and performance. L-arginine. Figs are rich in the amino acid L-arginine. L-arginine is converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow and circulation. This helps to increase blood flow and sensitivity to the genitals and increases sexual desire. Serotonin. Figs are also rich in the amino acid tryptophan, a precursor to the hormone serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone that helps improve mood and reduce stress. Adequate serotonin levels are important for sexual desire and performance. Testosterone. Some research has shown that fig consumption can increase testosterone levels in men. Testosterone is an important hormone for male sexual function. Energy. Figs are rich in natural sugars and fiber. These nutrients can help increase the energy levels needed for sexual activity. How to consume figs. You can consume figs fresh, dried, or by adding them to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Fig syrup is also a delicious option. Remember, figs alone are not a magical aphrodisiac. It cannot guarantee that it will significantly improve your sexual performance. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and exercising regularly are also important to optimize your sexual performance. The sixth fruit in our video is almost everyone's favorite fruit, pineapple. Pineapple, the passionate impact of a tropical flavor. Pineapple, one of the most popular fruits of the summer months, is not only a delicious and refreshing fruit, but also known for its aphrodisiac properties. Pineapple is known to have many benefits on sexual functions. While pineapple offers a tropical flavor with its sweet and sour aroma, it contains many important nutrients that can help increase sexual desire and performance. Bromelain. Pineapple has an enzyme called bromelain that can break down proteins. Bromelain can help improve blood flow and circulation, which increases blood flow to the genitals and sensitivity. Manganese. Manganese is an important mineral that supports testosterone production. Testosterone is an important hormone for male sexual function. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports collagen production. A healthy collagen tissue is important for erection and sexual functions. Thiamine. Thiamine is a vitamin belonging to the B vitamins family. Thiamine helps the nervous system to function properly and increases the sensitivity of nerve endings. How to consume pineapple. You can consume pineapple fresh, sliced, or by adding it to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Pineapple juice is also a delicious and refreshing option. Remember, Pineapple alone is not a magical aphrodisiac. It cannot guarantee that it will significantly improve your sexual performance. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, managing stress, and exercising regularly are also important to optimize your sexual performance. Let's also say hello to the pomegranate fruit, a symbol of passionate nights. Pomegranate, the mysterious fruit of passion and energy. Pomegranate, known as the fruit of love since ancient times, is not only a delicious and nutritious fruit, but also attracts attention with its aphrodisiac properties. Pomegranate is known to have many benefits on sexual functions. The red color of the pomegranate looks like a symbol of passion. This delicious fruit contains many important nutrients that can help increase sexual desire and performance. Nitrates. Pomegranate is rich in nitrates, which help to improve blood flow and circulation by dilating blood vessels. This increases blood flow and sensitivity to the genitals and increases sexual desire. Antioxidants. Pomegranate is also rich in powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help prevent cell damage caused by free radicals. This supports hormone production and circulation, which are important for sexual function. Polyphenols. Pomegranates are also rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols can help boost testosterone levels and reduce stress. How to consume pomegranate? You can consume pomegranate fresh by removing the seeds. Pomegranate juice is also a delicious and refreshing option. You can also add pomegranate to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. While each of these fruits increases sexual potency, they alone cannot guarantee that they will significantly improve sexual performance. These fruits are just fruits that we should add to our diet and consume regularly. Foods that positively affect sexual performance are very diverse. We can maximize our sexual performance with a wide variety of diets such as vegetables, cereals, nuts, etc. In addition, some small changes in our lifestyle will also positively affect our sexual performance. Regular exercise, avoiding stress, meditation, and yoga habits will positively affect both our quality of life and our libido. To learn more about these topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.